Hello friends, along with the export pricing quotation and Incoterms, we have to see here variety of Incoterms quotations, and including FOB we have to do here detailed study on that. CIF or C&F, that is a cost, insurance and freight, and cost and freight. So also we have to learn here through the example problem on FOB quotation. This question always come in the University of Examination. So we have to see what kind of problems we have and what is the solution of that problem. Means how we have to do it with the step wise and along with the help of formula. So we have to see about here the problem of FOB free on board quotation. Now Incoterms, I think under the Incoterms also we have seen here lot of different kind of export price quotations. The same way we have to learn here different kind of export pricing quotations including free on board, CIF and C&F. There are many types of price quotation. The type of price quotation to be given by the exporter depend upon the inquiry of the importer. The various quotations of prices which are used in a foreign trade are loco price, it is a standard price, it is a local price actually. So whatever the local price, according to that loco price is there. Free on a rail price, that is a FOR. This particular price, that means buyer has to carry here all the expenses from exporter factory building. He has to take his all the product up to the railway board. Whatever the unloading expenses included here, that is a free on rail. Then free alongside ship. So that is a FAS, free alongside ship, means up to the dockyard. Whatever the expenses taken place, buyer has to carry that. Then free on board. So that we have to see in detail what is here the free on board. We have a detailed study on that, and even problems also we have to do on free on board. Then cost and freight, that particular information means the cost, whatever the cost is there including the freight. So it has given here in the calculations and we have to just add that. So cost and freight, then cost, insurance and freight. So that we have to add. First we have to go for free on board. We have to go for the FOB cost. We have to remove here the FOB revenue. Then we have to go for FOB price. Then while we will get one's FOB price in our hand, then we have to remove here cost and freight price, and we have to add here cost, insurance and freight price, and then we will get one more FOB price. So that is there. Then X ship price, लास्ट वाले शिप का प्राइस क्या था. देन लैंडेड प्राइस, लैंड करते वक्त क्या प्राइस हो गया था अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. देन ड्यूटी पेड प्राइस और फ्रैंको और रेंट यू ऑफ फ्री प्राइस. रेंट यू ऑफ फ्री प्राइस और फ्रैंको प्राइस, this is the costliest price within the export pricing quotation according to that particular destination, according to the transportation mode. The price goes very high. So franco price is very costly price. Then cash without order, that is also one of the pricing export pricing quotation. Thank you.